Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to find the best Farfetch discount codes to save on your favorite fashion items. Let's dive right in. Method 1, visit Farfetch voucher codes page. Head over to farfetch.com/uk/voucher-codes, and then here you'll see that they regularly update their list of promotional offers such as free shipping, refer a friend discounts, and one-off promo codes. Here are some examples of the great deals you can find. You can see members club access, student discount, key worker discount, youth discount, and donate and save. Method 2 is to check Marie Claire vouchers. So go to marieclaire.co.uk/vouchers/farfetch.com. They compile a list of verified discount codes and promotions for Farfetch. Browse through the available codes and choose one that offers the best value for your purchase. Just click the Get Code button here. And then next is to visit hotukdeals.com. Type in hotukdeals.com/vouchers/Farfetch. Just like in the Marie Claire, just click the C code button and then you're good to go. That's basically it.